are here with you right now, right here with you right now. And eager for co-creating at its best, yes? Taking your vibrational temperature. You're doing extremely well. You're knowing what you're wanting. As you come together in this co-creative, collaborative body of genius creators, some of the rare people on the earth at this time who are coming to understand the laws of the universe as they relate to the laws of physics and everything that is logical to you. And so in the hours that are before us as we sail these magnificent waters together, we are going to together take thought to where it has never been before, because that's who you are. You're out here on the leading edge, and you've been consuming and trending in the direction of the fullness of who you are. And so here we are together in what we know for sure is the optimum situation for masterful co-creation. Oh, you have some things on your mind, some things that you would like to improve in your personal life experience. That's good. We really like to chew with you on the nitty-gritty of your life experience. But as well as all of that important information that you bring vibrationally and verbally, as in the days that follow, you'll sit in the hot seat and we'll play together on specific things. What will happen as we play, as the days proceed, as we progress together, your connection, your vibrational harmony with the larger part of you will become purer and purer, or a better way to say it is more constant. And as that begins to kick in, usually on the first day, we're talking about tomorrow, you will begin to receive insights that add collaboratively to the whole here. So you will begin to notice that you have clearer understanding and more ready to express questions that have not occurred to you before. It will feel to you like this super mind that is really who you are has kicked in, and you will understand not just where you stand now, but where you are going in terms of the vibrational evolution of that which is you. Now, most of you, especially in the beginning, are more interested in how that plays out in what you want to call your real life experience. In other words, what improvements can I expect in my relationships, or in my financial situation, or in my bodily conditions? What more can I achieve? And we want to tell you here tonight that there are no limitations, that there is nothing that cannot be massaged into a more harmonic place in the hours that we are together on this voyage. And so we want to get that out there as an expectation that you begin to ponder. That's the only homework that we'll ever give you. Expect to understand in new ways, and expect the fruits or the manifestational benefits of that understanding to begin to show up right away. You are together with so many others who are on this precipice of this new unfolding. And don't panic, don't feel unprepared. You are, we promise you, you are. We can feel where you are, each of you, in relationship with your connection to your source, and in relationship to your desires that you have presented to your vortex. Your inner being has been tending them. Your inner being, as well as all that we are, is in full awareness of what they are, what your hopes and dreams and desires are. And every word that is spoken from this platform will be in the assistance and vibrational support of these things that you desire. So relax in the trusting expectation that what you want, or even if you want to use the word what you need, whatever it is, we're going to chew it over real good, and you will feel it vibrationally, you will feel it energetically, and you will notice it in terms of see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, touch it, manifestation. The appreciation that we feel for you is greater than you can right now comprehend. But maybe a few days from now, when we express it to you verbally and vibrationally, you'll feel it and you'll know it. You'll know it as we know it. And what that means is your sense of worthiness, your sense of appreciation for who you are and where you stand and what you've lived and where you've been and where you're pointed and what's coming next. All of that will queue up for you in a delightful way. It is our absolute knowing. So, take it easy. Be really nice to yourself. Be nice to everyone you see around you. Have this knowing that we are in a vessel or a rockabye baby boat of well-being, and that all that you desire is in the process of revealing itself to you. Now we want to clarify. It's been revealing for a while. It has been. It's been revealing itself to you for a while. But your realization factor is going to go through the roof. So let those who know you, who are standing around you, who've known you for a while, just say to them softly, it's going to get real. We're going to do some good work together. Things are going to start shifting. You're going to feel it. You're going to know it. And not just you, but everything that exists will be the beneficiary of this co-creation at its best. We're going to leave you to the beginning of the beginning of the beginning of all of this wonderful stuff. We are so appreciative that you've come to play with us, because without you and the clarity that is you and the desire that you've formulated and your willingness to feel your way along with us, there would not be this expansion. It is all about you. And so for now, we'll just say again to you that there is great love here for you.
That was cool.
Yeah.
That was cool because I just want to be up in this chair. And I was thinking, I was going through my mind like, well, what would I have valuable to ask or say? I just want to be up in this chair. And I've been feeling so worthy, so steady in my worthiness, that I could just want to be up in this chair and say hi and thank you and I love you and my life is amazing. My life is so amazing. I found your teachings 6 years ago when I was at my lowest low, and it was an instant 180, and the trending that my life has been having and the speed at which everything is picking up and my steadiness in my knowing of all is well for me and for everybody, and my worthiness and everybody's worthiness, and my ability.
Are you watching her receiving?
My ability to have what I want and not have to earn it or deserve it. To, when I hear in my head of, either in my head or a reflection from somebody of, you should do this, you need to do that, my knowing that that's when, for sure, not that, what do I want to do? And to do that. And allow things to just magically appear in my lap.
Magically is a fine word. Let's add logically to that.
Yeah.
Let's add normally to that. It's just the way it goes, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. And I love it. And I love you. And
yeah. Really good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Really good. There it is. All right, there's too much happiness in this room.